Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix WhatsApp not working on Windows 11. So let's get started. So if you want to fix that problem, what you can do is just open up your settings. So to open up your settings, you have to tap on Windows key and then search for settings. After searching for settings, now what you can do is just tap on apps option, which is on the right side of your screen. So you can find the sixth option which says apps. Just tap on that. And after tapping on that, now you have to tap on this first option which says installed apps. So just tap on installed apps, and inside your installed apps you have to search for WhatsApp. After searching for WhatsApp after searching for WhatsApp, you can find your WhatsApp application, and beside your WhatsApp application you can find this three-dotted icon. Just tap on that and then tap on advanced settings. After tapping on advanced settings, you can find this page, and after tapping on advanced settings, you will access your advanced settings. And by accessing your advanced settings, now if you have these permissions turned off, you just have to turn it on. So if your camera is turned off, you just have to turn it on, your microphone and your contacts. So just turn these options on, and this will fix your basic problems. But if you are still facing that problem, what you can do is just scroll down, and here you can find this option which says terminate. So just tap on terminate. So mine has terminated instantly. In your PC it might take some time. So after terminating it, now what you can do is just tap on this repair option inside your reset, and it starts repairing any kind of issues or bugs in your WhatsApp. And after repairing it, now what you can do is just tap on reset and then reset your WhatsApp application. And after terminating, repairing and resetting your WhatsApp, you will fix your problem and you can use your WhatsApp without any problem. But even that doesn't fix your problem. Now what you can do is just uninstall your WhatsApp and reinstall your WhatsApp. So just do that, and by doing this you will successfully fix your problem. So that's it guys, this is how to fix WhatsApp not working on Windows 11. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.